In front of me is Blackshark Pad SE, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and click on this section called Connected Devices. Now click on Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show. When they do, click on the one you want to connect to. Tap on this switcher next to Also allow access to contacts and call history to enable or disable it, and tap on Pair. Then wait for the other device to accept your connection request or accept it manually on a second device. As you can see, mine were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, use this icon next to any of saved devices. Check out all of those options if you want to use any, and hit forget if you want to forget it. To confirm your choice in the pop-up, you will always be able to connect to the same device the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!